before we go tonight, we want to tell you about the winning lottery numbers. They are 7, 3, and 1. The winning lottery numbers and the pick 3, 7, 3, and 1. Good luck. Finally tonight, playing the lottery is a lot like playing the love lottery. You can play for years and years and years and never win. In fact, some people can play for 7 years and never win, and some people can play for 7 years and hit the jackpot.
We're talking about the love lottery, right?
We are.
Okay, and marriage. We understand there's breaking news. Jim Harwood and Sarah Matthews, both former Marquette University soccer players. Tim Van Voorn joins us with the latest on this story.
Can you confirm?
I guess I can confirm, and this is big news because these folks have dated for 7 years, as you guys alluded to, and they're pulling the trigger, I guess you would say. Jim Harwood, Director of Operations for the Milwaukee Rampage soccer team, and Sarah Matthews, I think they'll see many soccer games in the future, but we do want to wish them well. That is the latest just into our newsroom. 7 years, they're engaged now.
7 years? Good golly. I mean, I know soccer's a slow-moving sport, and maybe they adapt that to real time. If he was a basketball player, they would have gotten engaged after a month. Difference in the sports, just my theory.
Jim Harwood off the market. That's big news in the soccer world.
Breaking hearts all over the soccer. Can you hear him? Hearts breaking all over the soccer world.
I hear him. That is definitely breaking news. Thank you very much, Tim.
That'll do it for us. Congratulations to that couple. We'll see you back here with more news and, hey, maybe more engagements on 6's News Primetime tonight. Good night.